Hi to all. Hello everyone. Hello everybody. Good evening. Today I have this very heavy lock. Really, I not keep something more heavy from this lock. It's very big lock. Big, yes, and very high weight. So it's dimple lock. Have one cross, but K have two cross of pins, but he have one cross. Now it's not difficult lock, but it's very bad working of rotor. Very bad. K work but not correct. One side, second side work but very bad. Here just one place, this side and this side. If I out a rotor, so it's work. If it's in work, but not every time. This side more good. Okay, not important, very important, because it's take time of picking, and I now every time when I use when I pick dimple lock, I use this tool of my subscriber. One of my subscribers give me a present, so he not finished to make it. Why? Because I make test, and I see how and what I need to touch or not touch. So I make with just handle I make, and this not my work. So I try to pick with this all locks or dimple locks. So we start first, second, four, I think, and three was click, and first little clicks every pin. What asking give no, give little click. Not every click we can to listen, but I feel it. So we need not how to say in English language. We need the all pin every time wheel in full activation right now, like now, right now. 6 and 7 pins. Okay, first, second, third, 4, 5, 6. 6 was hard. Second, third, 4, 5. Asking, but don't want to give me answer. 7, 6. maybe nice. 7 was click, and first, second, third, 4, 5, 7, first, second, third. Nice. It's nice tool. Thank you very much for you to you. He not want I say who is it. So I can't to say. Okay, we open it. Oh, nice. It's not something interest. No, it's not very interesting lock. Standard lock. One rows of. Just if it was new, all picking was take maybe 1-2 minutes, not more. I think I need to change this module. I need to change and to back this lock to main. So thank you for watching. Have a nice time, everyone. Good luck. Bye bye.